So here's the wrap up for this chapter, and we are going to look at newer ways of thinking about solid waste. So the newer way is called integrated waste management. And integrated waste management means analyzing and planning the process from cradle to grave, looking to reduce the amount of waste produced originally all the way through its use, and how we can reduce the amount that then goes into a landfill or incineration. So again, we're looking at all of the components: waste reduction, recycling, composting, landfills, and incineration are tools that will be used in integrated waste management. Much of this needs to be done on a federal level in terms of source reduction, particularly for hazardous waste, but any type of source reduction that you want to do in terms of, say, packaging or plastics and that kind of thing. And it ends with waste reduction, which often takes place more on the local level, where local government can, or even nonprofit organizations, can encourage things like recycling, composting, and educate people as to how this can be done. A number of years ago, I had a student who said that their town transfer station, I believe it was Falmouth, actually gave away free composting bins to folks. So I looked around to see if I could find any towns doing that currently, and I couldn't. But if they ever offer you one for free, hey, go for it. Okay, so that's integrated waste management. And last, just a review of the key concepts. Everything's connected: air, water, soil. There's really no throwing trash away. Polluters and producers ideally would be the ones to pay for the waste, though that needs to happen through federal regulation. Reducing, reusing, recycling, and composting solid waste is something that we can do on a personal level, even though we only produce roughly 5% of all of the waste. And if you have hazardous waste, special care must be taken to separate it out and treat it and store it before so that it can't get out into the environment or cause harm to humans. And that is a wrap.